Today, we delve into the life of the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad, born Elijah Poole, who emerged as a beacon of hope and transformation amidst the turbulent tides of racial injustice in America. Rising from the depths of poverty and systemic oppression in the early 20th century, he found not just his voice, but a calling that would lead him to guide one of the most significant movements in Black American history. As a vanguard of social justice and empowerment, the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad's teachings offered a path to self-sufficiency, pride, and dignity for Black Americans, challenging the societal norms of his time. His leadership within the Nation of Islam not only reshaped the spiritual landscape, but also cemented his legacy as a pivotal figure in the civil rights movement, advocating for a community often silenced. The Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad, born Elijah Robert Poole on October 7, 1897, in Sandersville, Georgia, to sharecroppers William Poole and Mariah Hall, rose from humble beginnings to become a leading figure in the United States. His upbringing in the segregated South laid the groundwork for his influential teachings and future endeavors. Growing up as a sharecropper's son in Sandersville, Georgia, Elijah witnessed the harsh realities of the Jim Crow South firsthand. The systemic discrimination and rigid racial segregation of the post-Reconstruction era not only limited economic opportunities, but also entrenched many Black families, including the Pooles, in a cycle of debt and poverty. This environment deeply influenced Elijah's understanding of racial dynamics in America and underscored the significant economic challenges faced by Black communities during the early 20th century. In 1917, Elijah married Clara Evans. Together, they would have 8 children, forming a family that would become central to Elijah's life and work. In 1923, seeking to escape the constraints of the South and drawn by the promise of industrial jobs in the North, Elijah and Clara moved their family to Detroit, Michigan. This move was part of the Great Migration, a mass movement of Blacks out of the southern United States to the urban North and West, which occurred from approximately 1916 to 1970. In Detroit, Elijah worked in automotive plants and experienced the city's growing Black community. However, the North's promise of equality was diminished by ongoing racial discrimination and economic inequalities. In the early 1900s, Detroit became a beacon of hope for Blacks leaving the harsh realities of the South behind, and the city's thriving car industry opened up new job opportunities, far better than the limited farming work available in the South. This influx of migrants not only transformed Detroit's demographic landscape, but also created a vibrant Black community, complete with its own cultural, social, and religious institutions. This period of cultural renaissance and community building set the stage for significant social movements.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.